I'm Ross, welcome back to the channel. I figured, you know what, I'm down by the lake, so it's as good a time as any to review the SEIKO. Looks like this. Real nice. Thanks for coming to the channel. Thanks to Andre for the loaner. Actually, he's lent me quite a few of his SEIKO collection, so I'm gonna have some fun here the next few weeks, but I appreciate you tuning in. 300 meters of water resistance. Beautiful out here. We're finally seeing some plus temperatures in Canada. Oh boy, feels great. That sun feels awesome. We're down here in Leamington, right on the lake, and you know, the Leamington Lighthouse is right over there. My first visit here, so I'm having a lot of fun checking out the sights and stuff. Of course, the lake is a little bit frozen over still and still thawing out, but yeah, you know what? Still pretty nonetheless. Now we're going to get a look at this this SEIKO Prospex Marine Master. It is nice. I was super impressed, and you know what? What a comfortable wear. That SEIKO silicone rubber strap, for starters, lessens the weight, makes it comfortable on the wrist, something you could definitely pull off for an all-day wear. Now we'll get into the specs and show you the top-down bird's eye view. We'll get into you know, how it feels with that shroud, that case shroud that makes it look like a tuna can, where it gets its name. And of course, Ninja, it's completely blackout, right? So it suits the whole aesthetic for this watch. It is a quartz movement though. You should be aware of that. Let me know if that's a deal breaker for you. You prefer the quartz or you prefer getting like the SEIKO King Turtle? Automatic. Now this whole area down here is great, right on the waterfront. It's got a nice boardwalk that you can walk around and get your steps in if you want. And it's a pretty special. I'm liking it. I'm enjoying it. Another great dive watch by SEIKO. They don't disappoint, that's for sure. We have a special treat here, the Ninja Tuna design by SEIKO Prospex lineup. This is nice. It's stealthy, it's, you know, it's super functional. Let's get a bird's eye view here of this legendary watch, the Marine Master Professional 300. I had to visit the marina for this one. Totally suits the environment. I know you know SEIKO, and this one here is just great. Now, if you're new to the channel, my wrists are 7¼ inches. Hopefully you get lots of shots here to get a good feel as to whether or not it's going to work for you on the wrist. SEIKO's Marine Master Prospex Diver Reference SBBN-035. Now, it wears really well, I mean, despite its size. The case reminds me of that of the SEIKO Arnie chronograph and that I used to own. But I mean, I'll leave a link in the description for that video. You can watch and check that one out at your leisure. Now we're dealing with a 47mm stainless steel. We have a 22mm lug, 44.5mm lug to lug. Now that's real short. That's not taking up too much space on the wrist. I mean, especially with the overall case being 47 with a 44, you know, 44.5 lug to lug, that's pretty short. Now here's where it gets a little beefy, right? 15.2mm thickness, which doesn't look too bad on my wrist, but I mean, we're getting into the G-Shock range here. And maybe because of the quartz movement, you have to understand the thickness in the actual movement that could be taking up some space in there. Now, the overall package, though, with the rubber strap included is 123.8 grams. That's not bad. 300 meters of water resistance with a screw-down crown, signed with the Prospex X there. We have a stainless steel case back as well, and you have on top there double-domed Hardlex crystal. We have a steel bezel inside that steel case, a flange system that looks like a tuna can, hence where it gets its name from. But the bezel insert is shiny as well. Let me know how you feel about that. I think it's steel, this one. You try to be stealthy, but then it just pops, it glows. Any light hits it and it's reflecting. So I don't know, it's almost like a little contradiction, but either way, I still love the design. 120 click, smooth action, unidirectional rotating bezel, triangular loomed primary indicator position up top. Now the dial, who doesn't love the dial? Simplistic diver design, all that visibility. It's all about the visibility here. Matte black dial there with great contrasting markers, shaped markers, all loom filled with that Lumibrite, SEIKO's proprietary loom. You know SEIKO does it right, that is for sure. Now triangular markers there at the 12, representing that orientation for straight up at the top. You have a day date at the 3 o'clock position. No Cyclops though for this one. Let me know, let me know how you like that with no Cyclops. I like it. I like it. I think it looks pretty snazzy. Nice, large, broad arrow hour hand there, and a pencil-style minute hand, both of which are loomed, and a large seconds hand that's in full white with a lollipop loomed back end. Now, SEIKO signed at the 12 in white on top of the black. You have Marine Master Professional and 300 at the 6 o'clock with that date over at the 3. Nice contrasting sporty feel for the dial, finished off with the second tracker there in that chapter ring. Now the movement here is quartz, right? Did I mention it's quartz? SEIKO caliber 7C46 is running this thing. Designed for high torque and an active lifestyle, right? Just in case you're out on the go all the time. You want to have a movement that's going to hold up to what you got to throw at it. So, and I hear we have a 5-year battery life. That can't be upsetting. That's pretty good for all of you people who love to change a battery out. Now the strap here, we'll take it off here because this rubber is so nice and soft. It's great. It's got lots of flex to it, good stretch. A taper from 22 millimeters down to 20 millimeters to the pin and buckle closure. And this one has the signed SEIKO keeper in steel as well. On the wrist, I mean, it's definitely something that you can pull off all day. No question about it. You know what? And one of the, especially with the rubber strap there, probably a good contributing factor to that overall lightweight. I like it. Thank you very much, Andre, for the loaner. Man, oh man, it's going to be a shame to give this one back. Right now, she's trending, and she's trending high. Obviously, depending on the country and origin and wherever you are, and not to mention the market value. A functional, affordable version of the full-size Marine Master 1000 meter. Great SEIKO dive history here, and it's not flashy, you know, blacked out with great contrasting colors, a great dial. Visibility is definitely a priority, no matter what you're up to, right? Above and below the surface of the water. Geez, I love it. And who doesn't love a nice diver tool watch? Do you think you can handle the 47 millimeters there for that diameter? Let me know, comment below. I do have to admit though, it wears like it's about a 42 to 44. I like it. I like it a lot. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming to the channel. I'm Ross. Do all those fancy things, and we'll see you on the next one.